Okay, here's the next video, guys. I got this today, the Philips S3332 razor. This is the wet-dry, one of the versions. This is the wet-dry version of the Philips S3352. And as I mentioned, I think before, this one's made in Indonesia. So we'll unbox this, and then in a separate video, I'll do a shave. Okay, let's have a look here. See what awaits us. Okay, we've got, this is standard with any Philips razor I've bought in the last 4 or 5 years. You get an extra warranty, 1 year of extra warranty. To get that, go to Philips live chat or phone them. I usually just go to live chat and get the extra 1 year of warranty. We've got that. Of course, we've got the instruction book here. Okay, with this, I usually put this away and download the PDF version of this. I can look at it on my computer. The warranty, which is pretty standard. Yes, of course, this is the version of this razor with the charging stand. So here's the charging stand. See that? Okay. Power adapter. And we'll see in a minute how much charge this razor comes with. Okay, there we go. Power adapter, as I've said. There we go. Looks like this might be a case. Yeah, pretty sorry excuse for a case. You know, back in the good old days, as people would say, you get a hard case, but now you just get this, obviously this little drawstring thing. So my recommendation is to go online, go to a place like AliExpress and get a proper case for your razor. Here's the head protection cap. You always want to make sure this is on when you're finished using it. And of course, what we all want to see, the razor. And there it is. Okay. So you can see the look of these 3000 series Indonesian razors. They're not as rounded as the Philips S3352, but as you can see there, hopefully made in Indonesia. Okay. Made in Indonesia. There we go. Okay. So we'll just turn it on here and we'll just see, this will have 3 lights. And of course, if it's lit up right to the top, then we know it's probably close to fully charged. Oh, totally dead, guys. Totally dead. That's okay. That's fine. We'll do a shave with that a little bit later. I noticed the head on here is pretty flexible, so even more so than the 3552. Again, this is the S3332, so it's yeah, a little bit different. The head cap here is flatter. It's not as rounded as the S3552. But yeah, I've used this razor before, the version without the charging stand, and of course the accents are a little bit different. Mine was all black. Now, if you want, see on here, let's look at this this charging stand as well. Okay, just see the bottom here. Let's look at that too. Let's look at the bottom of the razor as well. See the connector there? Okay. So if you want to, you can, and it's basically the same. It's basically the same connector. Okay, the razor connector. Show you that. The razor's power plug there, and then the connector on the stand. They're the same thing. So you can either, obviously, you can plug the cord right into here if you want, okay? Or plug it right into the razor itself. Doesn't matter. Okay. Either way, doesn't matter. Okay. I'll probably use it without the charging stand, only because to me this is just going to take up unnecessary space on my counter. Okay, but obviously you can use it if you want. Okay. Maybe I'll use it for the first charge, and then I'll just plug it in directly to the razor. But there you go, the S3332 Philips, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Of course, I'll do a shaving video with this soon as well, tonight, and that should drop fairly soon. So thanks for watching. Again, remember, electricrazorwrap.com is Electric Razor Wrap, my electric razor message board. So create an account. We'd love to have you on board. Okay, I'll talk to you later.